Hazrat Ata was asked whether a resident of Makkah Mukarramah should pronounce Talbiyah for Hajj. He said, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would pronounce Talbiyah with effect from the 8th of Zulhajj after performing the Zohar prayer and sit firmly on his mount. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, when we reached along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we took off the ihram up to the 8th of Zulhajj. Then returning from Makkah Mukarramah pronounced Talbiyah for Hajj. Abu Zubair reported from Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu, we put on the ihram from Batha. Ubaid bin Jurayj said to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, while in Makkah Mukarramah, I see that you do not put on ihram till the 8th of Zulhajj, whereas the people put on the ihram on the sight of the moon. He said, I did not see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam donning ihram until he rode his mount properly. Hazrat Abdul Aziz bin Rafi reports that he asked Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu saying, tell me the thing which you have remembered from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Where did he perform the Zohar and the Asr prayer on the 8th of Zulhajj? He said, at Mina. I said, where did he perform the Asr prayer on the 13th of Zulhajj? He said, at Abtah. Then said, do the same as your leaders in Hajj do. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1653.